What's up, guys? Just an F40PH roof in here. I'm at Belly Depot again, and here comes 1706. Must be a rail fender over. There must be a rail fender over there. Should I count that as a horn show? I guess I'll count as a horn show. A mini horn show. It's kind of weird seeing like south side double deckers on the north, right, guys? Yeah, thanks to that car. Them Evos are so quiet, not gonna lie. Goes 1068 off to North Station, and look at them fumes. Well, I'll see you guys later in a future episode.